Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Love me, 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 love me. Dudes. It's gotta be like that. Oh! What is good, everyone? We're back. I'm gonna do another kind of look at a practice round. I'm out here at the preserve. It's kind of a crazy day. We got some smoke coming in from the north. The fires up in Canada are kind of getting crazy, and that smoke has now come down into the Minneapolis, Clearwater, St. Cloud area. So I gotta be smart while I'm out here. This is the final day before the tournament. I'm just trying to give you guys and everyone a better perspective on what my practice looks like. Sometimes it changes, but this week I've been feeling really good. I picked up on something from D-Glow, and I'm ready to kind of take what I learned there and apply it here so I can kind of get this string of 4 pro tours in a row, get them running, feeling good, and push into some top finishes. Like, that's really the goal. I think there's a lot to take from the experiences I've had over the past few weeks, so I'm ready to see what we can do with it. I'm gonna get lots of putting in, get lots of good shots in. Let's do it. So I think the biggest thing that I've been picking up on is that my putting has felt off. So I've been making sure to put extra time in on my putting. So I have 4 putters with me that I will putt on every single hole. Kind of the goal is make 4 putts every single hole from like minimum 20 footers and go back to like making 4 28 footers and getting that confidence, because the more I see the disc go in, the more I have that confidence. I know I can build that into some successful rounds. It's just feeling good putting the disc in the basket. And that's usually gonna mean you shoot lower, usually gonna mean you're a happier golfer too. So let's kind of build on that. Let's get it going. I have this weird superstition that even myself and my bag has to make the Mandos. So let me know in the comments below if you have any weird superstitions that you like to stick to when you're playing a tournament round, or even practice rounds. One of the things that I've been really trying to remember when I'm out here, especially in these beautiful spots, like the preserve out here is just so cool. The area is amazing. I am an easy putter throw to the Mississippi River right now. Like, there's not many places we could say that. And I don't know, the whole terrain and everything, Cale's done an amazing job. The Minnesota crew is just top notch. So it really helps this whole event and everything feel, truly special. And I know they've worked hard to make it even better. So looking forward to many years to come of being on the Pro Tour and coming to Minnesota and just enjoying this. I've alluded to it earlier, but I think one of the best parts that we see with some courses on tour is their ability to adapt, their ability to change, their ability to challenge us as pros. They take what they have and they work to make it better, and they listen to feedback. And I think that that's one thing that we can all do better. We can all take feedback. We can all look to improve. And I think that's why I'm enjoying the preserve and why I enjoy D-Glow so much, is that the courses changed and they got better. And I don't know, it made it exciting to play because you're playing these new holes because you don't have any preconceived notions. You don't know that so-and-so did this on that hole. It's like, no, it's you versus the course. It's you versus that hole, and you go attack it. I love that. And hats off to the preserve and their crew because it looks amazing. It is important in practice to practice all lies. I gotta go down that tunnel there. Whoop. I gotta go from here. So I'm gonna try out some things that might find me in trouble so I know what it's like when I hit the tournament. Let's get crazy. The lesson we learned is pitch out. Don't do it. It's awful back there. Some of my favorite things about being on the disc golf course, especially before a big tournament, is the people you get to see. I've already seen Jonathan Nicholson, Trevin Crowe, Terry Roethlisberger, Mike Conley and his father Keith, Greg Barsby and his girlfriend, and I don't know, it just fills you with this positivity because everybody's so stoked. We haven't played any rounds yet, or any tournament rounds yet, and everybody's just got that excited feeling and they pass it on, and I don't know, it's a pretty special thing. So I don't know, let's keep spreading that kind of positivity in this world. You know, if we can just have that tournament excitement all day, I don't know, maybe good things will happen. Insert monster music here. Bam, bam. What? This 1,500 foot hole is nuts. Especially if there's any kind of headwind, I feel like it's unreachable for most. But at that point, you have to be really smart and get your 5. So just cover some distance and make a good decision on basically on that third throw to give yourself an opportunity to get that par, because the moment you mess up is whenever you start adding on those strokes. So it's about playing really, really smart, make good decisions. Well, there's a disc in that basket. I may or may not have thrown it in. Oh man, I was just talking about how hard this hole was. Took my 2021 Glimmer Lucid X Felon and just full jam sesh. Felt good out of my hand, got it wide. I've been going with the 2021 Glimmer because I like how stable it is. It usually likes to spike into the ground. It doesn't have a lot of ground play, but you don't need ground play when you just bar down and ring it up. I got one question for you all. Is that good? As the practice round keeps going, I don't know, I love the feeling after you get nice and warm and discs just come out clean, not forcing anything, just letting it happen naturally. And the wind is up, so it's definitely making putting hard, so you're really having to focus in. But I saw something recently, it's not about believing you'll make the putt, it's just doing it and having confidence in that moment that you're going to do it. And if it doesn't work out, but were you confident? Did you try and do it? Did you there was no belief, it was just, did you do it? And that, I think, goes a long way. Vanessa Van Dyken put that up on her story, and I had to save it. It was amazing, really, really good. And I'm just gonna go out and do it. I suppose it wouldn't be a practice round with me if I didn't need to get in the water. Burned one over on 18. On the second shot, it was a crazy headwind. I was a little far back and I juiced it, and I think we're going swimming. But thank you everyone for tuning in. I'm really excited for this week. Less down than I was in the previous video, but it's because I'm in a much better mood. Things are looking on the up. I've learned a lot from the experiences I've had over the last few weekends, from Worlds to Des Moines to D-Glow. I'm really hoping to take that into this upcoming week at the Preserve and take it forward for the rest of the year. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and be dynamic. Okay, bye. When you think you're in there, but you're right here. Hashtag blessed, easy up and down. Okay, bye.